Hello, this is Khalil Ahmed. Uh, Today we are going to install Virtualmin free hosting panel into our Ubuntu 20.04 long-term support server. So actually, the cPanel, which is widely being used in the world, the problem with cPanel is that it's costly. So if you are looking for a cheap one, you can alternatively install Virtualmin web server on Ubuntu. So for this, you will be needing your Ubuntu web server, sorry, Ubuntu server, which is a VPS server. In my case, I have purchased this VPS server from Walter Hosting cloud provider. So you will be needing an IP address, username, and your password. So first of all, we will log in into SSH. To SSH, just press this command. SSH. I will log in as a root user. Uh, Copy your IP address of your server and then paste it. So in this case, I am using my this terminal. So if you are using other terminal, that's fine. Other terminal, this step on other terminals will work without an issue. So press enter, copy password. Okay. Now I have logged into my Ubuntu server. Then I will follow this setup, this guide, which I wrote on my GitHub profile. So just so what are the prerequisites? Uh, Deploy a fully updated Ubuntu 20.04 LTS server at Walter. So this server can be on any cloud provider, not just Walter. Just you can also get this server from DigitalOcean or whatever you prefer. So these are the installation steps. So first of all, we will download our Virtualmin server into our Ubuntu. So Virtualmin setup is downloaded. So after this step, we will make a host name. A host name can be anything. For better understanding, or you just name it anything. In this case, I will naming admin login dot anything. So just name your virtual server, which is called hostname. So I have named this admin dot login anything. Okay. Now make this separate script executable. Uh, just update its permission. Okay, now we will install this script which we have just downloaded. Okay, press enter. So this is installing. Okay, it will ask you some prompts. You just need to verify and press yes. So I have pressed yes. Okay, in the meanwhile, Virtualmin is being installed on my UPS server. Uh, we will add this into our firewall. So you enable you have to enable your firewall. Okay, setting GPU change OS reinstall. Okay, we will go into the firewall and we will update our firewall. New manage. Okay, add new firewall. Description virtual hosting. Okay, by default this is added already. Add new. Uh, HTTPS. Okay. Uh, Choose TCP and add this 10,000 port number and just add it. Okay. Link my instance. Okay, this is my instance. I will link instance. So you can see I have added my firewall setting. Now I will see if my setup is completed or not. So it is not completed yet. Just wait a little bit. This Virtualmin setup is deploying LAMP stack. So what is LAMP stack? LAMP stack means it will install a bunch of already built-in softwares like Apache, uh, SQL Server, and other. Okay, we have installed. So we just need to copy this IP and log in into our server. Okay, click yes. Just proceed. Uh, Copy your IP. So by default, the username is root and password is your APS server password. Okay, I will log in. You can see we just installed Virtualmin on our Ubuntu. Let's do some basic steps. Post installation result. Preload Virtualmin libraries. No. Run email domain loop server. So I am not. I will not use email on this server. So I will select no. Click on next. Enable virus scanning. As I have told you earlier that I am not using this server as an email server, so I will click on no because I'm not using emails on this server. Run MariaDB server, database server. Yes. Run. Okay. Click next. MariaDB password. Okay. Okay. Skip for resolvability. Click on next. Next. Store plain passwords. System default. So it is suggested. Click next. If you are going to host your WordPress website, then click on suggested. Click next. Set up default virtual server. Create virtual server. No thanks. Okay. We just set up our Virtualmin web server hosting panel. Hope you like this video. Just follow this guide and it will be fine. Bye.